Hello, I'm Paul Miles and I'm at TU-Automotive Europe 2015, and today I'm joined by Guido Dornbusch. He's the Senior Director of Advanced Engineering at Novero. Hello, thanks for joining me.
Hello, good morning.
First off, can I ask you to give us a brief idea of your role within Novero?
Okay, so I'm leading the Advanced Engineering department, and as such I'm responsible for the product evolution of our existing product portfolio and for the technology evolution inside their product families.
And Novero, what does it specialize in?
So we are specialists of car connectivity. So we do telematic control units, vehicle connectivity units, and smartphone integration, which is wireless charging devices for the automotive, combined with best reception technologies, antenna coupling and antenna compensing, which is kind of antenna amplifier technology to have the best reception inside the Faraday cage of the car.
All right. And this technology, how is it going to affect the relationship between the customer and the car and the providers of this technology? How do you see that dynamic changing in the future?
So the smartphone integration itself is, of course, some kind of commodity in the very near future. So you have today USB hubs, wireless charging is just ramping up for all the cars, but at the same time the best reception inside the car. To have the Wi-Fi access point, but also best voice quality inside this car. It's extremely important. But also the embedded connectivity units with LTE, with a Wi-Fi access point inside the car.
But the relationship, is it going to improve the relationship with the customer from the provider's point of view? Will they be able to engage with them easier with this technology?
The relation between the customer and
the provider of the technology, in as much as will they know more about the customer? Does this technology allow them to expand what they know about the customer?
Of course, the embedded connectivity allows to generate data, big data, sensor data, vehicle or customer-related data. Depends a bit on how it will be possible to combine the data from the smartphone integration, but also from the vehicle data.
And is that the way that we're in business, let's face it, is that the way we can monetize this situation, by mining that data?
Is a good question. Typically today the OEM tries to mine that data. So I just saw, for example, the Opel OnStar announcement that they mine the data and bring it together with an insurance company for pay-as-you-drive services. So their embedded units serve data for other industries, which is potentially a lot of people and companies look for exactly that solution. But usually systems are closed down today.
Is there any challenges in using that mining of data? Would it scare a lot of customers away, do you think?
Sure. The privacy issues. So of course, so our opinion is a bit, it must be extremely open, and so you should have a front end on your smart device, on the web, to see what kind of data is available, and click, I allow to share the data with company whatever for dedicated reason. So I think there should be a full openness to the customer, what happens with the data, what goes out, so to have a full control. And I think especially Germany, I think it's a very sensitive market for privacy. Other markets are a bit easier. I guess South Europe is a bit easier for privacy.
Exactly. But looking, there's been obviously there's so much technology around at the moment affecting all of the connected car. And the connected car covers mobility, covers telematics, covers all the technology leading up to the autonomous vehicle. But out of all of that, if you had to pick two topics that you feel are the hottest topics, where we should be looking at most, what would they be in that connected car space?
I think it's a bit on how the connected car grows together with the others to the autonomous car itself. So I think that's the hottest topic today.
That is
The combination of all these technologies.
And getting
that's a complexity at the end.
But that's, yeah, I mean, it's not going to be easy, is it? You have so many strands. How are we going to make it all come together in one sort of package that communicates with each other? Is that possible?
It's possible, but yeah, it's an extreme challenge, of course, and some effort for the next years.
Yeah,
so it's something where we all need to work on, the automotive industry.
And of course, we've seen a lot of technology in the last 5 years. Do you see more technology coming, or more of a development of the existing technology in the next 5 years?
I did not get the full question.
Well, we've had lots of new technology come in the last 5 years. In the next 5 years, will it be even more new technology, or will it be a refinement of the existing technology we have now?
For sure, quite a lot of evolution of the existing technology. And so 4G goes to 5G, there will be Car2X technology there. But will there be really... I think it's more the combination and evolution of the existing compared to the new revolution, which we haven't known before.
Yes, fair enough. Thank you very much for joining us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.